there was a new opportunity to earn free USDT on this platform. So you can see earn alpha point by trading, unlocking USDT reward. So it's very simple. So how do we get started on this project? What you need to do to tap on the login section here. So you can see welcome back, log in to manage your portfolio. So here whether you enter your email or your password, anyone, it will proceed. So let's continue with our Google. So here we choose the email you want to use. So let's choose anyone. So here we tap on continue. You can see login successful. So guys, so it is like our complete daily task and earn their points. So that point can convert to or swap to USDT direct. So there's a different ways to do that. So in today's video I will show you everything you need to know about this project. So just completing tasks and earn free USDT, so which is a new opportunity. So do not wait on this. If you are here to start, check the link in the description section of this video. So this is your first time come across my channel, do it to subscribe to this channel and check the link in the description section of the video and start this project now. So guys, if you start, what you need to do first is to tap on the tax section. So once you tap on the tax section, so you can see total USDP is 0 and 0. So how do we earn this USDP? So this is the USDP you accumulate will let you convert or swap it to USDT free without depositing anything or deposit a dime. So what you need to do is to the first thing you need to do is to tap on the daily check-in. So here, so once you tap on daily check-in, it will let you check in. So after you tap on the daily check-in, you will refresh it. So after you refresh it, you can see it will you can see 10 USDP. So this is the USDP you accumulate and convert it to the USDT. So the next task is to follow them on X. Once you tap on it, it direct you to the X account or their X page. Guys, on their X account you can see early adopters get USDP for free. Late commerce buy USDP expensive. You need to pay attention with it to get started right away. So I have said that, check the link in the description section of the video. So once we come back, do to tap on refresh here. So the next thing to do, the next task, which is like and retweet. So after completed all your tasks, you can see I have earned 130 USDP. So how do we withdraw this USDP? What you need to do is tap on swap here. So here, what you need to do, you can see when you tap on the max, you can see after I tap on the max, you can see I'll receive 130 USDT. So what you need to do is to tap on swap, confirm. You can see insufficient point balance. So what they are trying to tell us is that before we can withdraw this, what we need to do is to have a burn point to withdraw, right? So before you can also get this burn point, you need to deposit at least 100 USDT, guys. So best way to get our USDP that have been converted to the USDT is to buy staking. So that's the right way. So if we come back and we tap on the stake, so you can see here, you can see stake USDP to earn USDT yield with up to 84 APR upon USD staking maturity. USD interest can be withdrawn directly, right? So that is how it is. So how to stake, the minimum staking is 100 USDP. That is for 45 days. So any of the minimum staking is here. The maximum is 5,000 USDP. So I have 100 USDP. So what I need to do is to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see stake. Then we tap on stake USDP. So you can see confirm. So here you can see participant return automatically at maturity. right? So you can see for this 100 USDP I will earn 4.5 USDT, which is 40 after 45 days. So when you tap on confirm, so you can see after the 45 days ends, I will receive this 4.5 USDT, right? So that's how. So at the end of the 45 days, so the amount will be entry here. So that's how it is. So guys, if you want to withdraw it instantly for this USDP we have accumulated now without staking, we need to deposit at least 100 USDT. But if you want to withdraw it without depositing, without any deposit, you need to wait for 45 days for your stake to be earned, so that you can get your interest. So guys, that's how this project or this platform works to get free USDT on it. So check the link in the description section or comment section of this video. And guys, to deposit an amount or the 100 USDT to deposit without taking it, what you need to do is to tap on the wallet section here. So here you can see, you see the deposit stock here. So you want to tap on it, you need to send the minimum USDT to deposit to this project or this wallet is to 0.01 USDT, but they said 100 USDT before you can get the bond point to withdraw yours. So you need to send to this Solana wallet here. So as I was talking about, for sending 100 USDT before you can get their bond is to here is how it is. And if you want to swap your USDP to USDT direct without staking, you tap on swap and we tap on max. So you can see I have 30 USDP. So if you want to swap it, you tap, as I said, we tap on the swap it to tell the insufficient balance, right? If you tap on to get more alpha points, you have to tap on it. So you can see my total alpha point is 00. So you want to tap on circulation rules. So here you can see the breakdown of the alpha point, how it works. So you can see before you can get the alpha point, you need to deposit 100 USDT to get 20 USDP and get 1 alpha point, right? So 500 USDT to get 40 USDP and get 2. So how much USDT alpha point? This is a waste of money. So what you need to do is to stake it. So because they said for the staking, upon staking maturity, your APR can be done directly, right? So you come to the tax section here, as I said, and if we tap on the stake again, you can see upon USDT staking maturity, USDT interest can be withdrawn directly. So that for staking is better, right? So as you said, the alpha point you need to swap it instantly without staking is a huge amount of money deposit before you can get it. So what you need to do that will be best for you is to stake it. So once you stake it, after the 45 days ends, you get your money. So guys, don't waste my time, get in right away. So you are yet to join this project, check the link in the description section or the comment section of the video. You locate the link and start now. So that's how, guys, what is about this. So if you don't understand anything, drop the in the comment section. I will reply you as soon as possible. If you want more referrals, or you drop the referral link on the comment section so that someone also can use, so that you also will be boost your earning, so that you can earn together. So guys, that's how it is now. So this is your first time come across my channel, do it to subscribe to this channel and check the link in the description section or comment section of this video and join our Telegram community for more high value. See you guys in my next video.